Welcome back, programmers, Guillaume here. It's been a while since I haven't published any video, so here's the time for a quick channel update. First, I hope that everybody is safe and healthy. The sanitary situation has been a mess all around the world and a second wave is starting to hit France. I'm not really looking forward to living another period of confinement. Let's hope for the best. Almost 2 months without videos on the channel or articles on the blog. I do apologize, but I have been on vacation and faced a little lack of motivation recently. But this very video is the trigger that will get me back to speed. The channel is almost 1 year old and you are almost 400 subscribers. One per day. Good. For the second year, let's double this rate and reach the grail of 1000 subscribers. So, what's next on the channel? First, I need to finish the Snake game. Yes, I have yet to code the high score screen, and I might do it in several episodes because I want to show you several formats that you can use for your data files. Simple text, formatted text, binary, and even database. I will also continue the Pure Basic 101 series. First, I will finish the Pure Basic editor presentation, 6 or 7 episodes, and then I will start the masterpiece, detailing each Pure Basic library one by one. Depending on the size of the library, I might do 1 or more episodes per library. I will try to go over all the commands and provide examples for each. A lot of work ahead. Finally, I need to choose 2 new projects. One that I will start right away in replacement of the simple image processor, and one that I will start after the Snake game. For the first one, I think that I will do a portfolio management application. This will use more advanced gadgets like list views or tree views, a more complex user interface, some database usage for the portfolio content, and some network usage to get the stock prices, for example. This should be fun. For the second one, I would like to do another 2D game. Yes, another one, but this time with more technical challenges like sprite animation, scrolling, or NPCs, non-player characters. It should vaguely resemble Super Mario Bros. Or Sonic the Hedgehog. Well, something like that. Vaguely resemble. In addition to that, I have other ideas like doing code reviews of programs sent by viewers, subscribers, or whoever wants his or her code to be reviewed. I was also thinking of reproducing code done on other programming channels, like the Coding Train, or Coding Challenges website like codewars.com or codinggame.com. Outside YouTube, I will resume writing articles about Pure Basic on my blog. Most of them will be linked to the videos on the channel, but with more detail. Finally, I shall also resume working on some new designs for the Pure Programming merchandising. Yes, the existing ones are not selling as I had wished. I am mostly buying them myself. But the next ones will be awesome, and you will crave for one or more soon. Wow, this is a lot, so I should stop procrastinating and get starting right now. Or right after this video of a kitten jumping on a trampoline with a squirrel. Alright, thank you all for watching. I will see you very soon.